How would you like to be wealthy in your 30s? Well, the difference between being wealthy in your 30s and going through the old and long route of wealth in your 60s is your level of investment. In this case, you need a slightly more aggressive approach to get there faster. Here are 5 tips to help you make and enjoy your wealth while still young. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. Don't be afraid to invest early. The general rule of thumb is to invest a minimum of 10% of your income, while the rest is yours to spend. While this investment principle is excellent, it has a shortcoming. Investing a fixed 10% of your income can only help you build a slow-paced wealth, and you will never come close to your colleagues investing 30% or higher of their income. If you invest 10% of your income into, let's say, stock market or real estate annually and consistently for the next 20 years at a 10% ROI, that's a lot of money to land you straight into the millionaire club. But you are never coming close to your colleagues investing 30% annually into the same stock and real estate over the same period. The fact is that you all will become wealthy in your 30s. However, because your colleagues aggressively invested 30% of their income over the same period, they will definitely become richer than you. So the difference is that while your colleagues were into an aggressive investment, you were busy playing safe. Number 4. Start your own business early. In today's world, information and access to data have become unlimited. For instance, you don't need to travel to the United States before you can have access to the Harvard University Library. All you need is access to the internet. With your internet-enabled phone, you can find all the information you need about any sector of the economy you plan on going into at your fingertips. Starting your own company in your 20s is the easiest way to become wealthy in your 30s. A good example is Warren Buffett and Elon Musk. Warren Buffett made his first $1 million after trading stock for more than 2 decades, while Elon Musk made the same figure after 2 years of starting his own company. Investing in stocks is fantastic and highly recommendable, but if you aim to become a millionaire by the time you're in your 30s, start now. If you are still in your 20s, you've got to create that plan of owning your own company now. With more income flowing in from your business, you can now begin to use that cash flow to invest in other profitable ventures like stocks and real estate. Number 3. Build multiple streams of income. One of the easiest ways to avoid getting stuck on your journey to becoming wealthy in your 30s is to build multiple streams of income. Starting your business is cool, but you don't have to rely on a single source. If you rely on one stream and that industry winds up, your source of income will automatically dry up, and that's bad. To avoid this mess, you need to put your eggs into different baskets, which means building multiple streams of income. According to IRA data, the average millionaires have nothing less than 7 streams of generating income. This may not be an easy task, and that's why starting your business is key to your financial freedom. With this, the money you make from your business can be spread across different profitable investments that can help you generate an additional source of revenue. Number 2. Bad debt versus good debt. You may find it difficult to differentiate between good debt and bad debt if you don't have a background in business and management-related courses. Bad debt refers to debt incurred for activities that are not productive or investments that can't pay the incurred debt. Debt in this category includes high-interest rate credit cards, personal loans, paycheck loans, and IOUs. In some cases, car loans can be classified as bad debt, especially if you're not using the car for something productive. But if you got a car loan with the objective of reducing your logistics cost, or you drive the car to work to reduce cost, then it's not a bad debt. The problem with bad debts, especially credit cards, is that these loans will keep piling up, and before you know it, you are already in a debt trap. Good debt, on the other hand, is totally different from bad debt. Good debt simply means taking loans for investment purposes rather than for consumption. The good thing about good debt is that the investment you committed the loan into will become productive. And even if you don't get any paychecks from your business at the end of the month, the investment will be able to repay the loan you acquired. So, be sure to have good debt than bad debt. Number 1. Take risks. In your 20s, your capacity to take risks is higher than when you are in your 60s. Now, this doesn't mean you have the liberty to make carefree investment decisions in your 20s. No, not at all. But if you want to become wealthy in your 30s and even 40s, you must start learning the art of taking risks early in life. In your 20s, you can acquire different skills, start businesses, and dip your hands in a lot of pie. In your 20s, you can start a business, and in the end, if the business is not working out, you can easily switch or discover bigger and better opportunities. Those businesses that didn't work out do not represent failure. It means you have garnered more experience and you will be better off next time when making a business decision. When you take a business risk and fail, don't let that pull you down. You need those experiences because it means you are learning. So don't be scared of taking risks. Taking risks in your 20s isn't going to kill you. Instead, taking risks where others don't will land you in a better position than your contemporaries trying to play safe. If you have investments but still want to make money as fast as possible, you should check out our other videos. Thank you for sticking around. Hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below.